How to fix FaceTime not working on your iPhone. In this video, we have got solution to get it back on track so you can resume video calling with your friends and family. Firstly, tap on Settings. Now scroll down on your screen and find the app called FaceTime. Tap on it. If FaceTime is off just like mine, turn on the toggle of FaceTime by tapping on it. If it does not fix your FaceTime, I have another solution. Scroll up and find the option called General. Tap on it. Have to again scroll down and find the option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. There are two options. You have to tap on the first option called Reset. There are 5 options in which you have to tap on the second option called Reset Network Setting. You are now required to add your passcode. After you enter your passcode, it will automatically restart your network setting. If this solution does not work, make sure to turn your Wi-Fi off and turn it again. If it worked for you, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.